Do you know the two major steps in tattooing? The steps of tattooing are very simple. It's only about outlining, then shading. Shading the pattern after outlining. The outlining needle is also known as round needle. Each type of needle has a different thickness. The commonly used outlining round needles are usually odd numbers. This is a round 3 needle. Cut it open with a blade. We can see it is composed of 3 needle threads. The needle thread of the same needle is of the same thickness. The commonly used needle thread diameter is 0.35 mm. A round 3 needle is made up of 3 needle threads. There needs to be a gap between the needle threads to facilitate ink absorption. This is the meaning of needle thread thickness and needle grouping. Strongly recommended to bookmark it. The more needle threads, the thicker the needle. Now use a round 5 needle for outlining. Voltage is 8 volts. Please pay attention to the speed of the hand. Now use a round 3 needle. The thickness difference between a round 3 needle and a round 5 needle is not big. The resistance is almost the same, so the voltage is also 8 volts. The speed of the hand should be the same as that of the round 5 needle. Now use a round 14 needle with 8 volts of voltage. The more needle threads, the greater the resistance, so the hand speed needs to be slowed down, just like in the video. If the color cannot be applied, you can also increase the voltage by 1-2 volts appropriately. In practical applications, thick lines are used to highlight the subject and emphasize the theme. Of course, in some old-school tattoo styles, thick and thin lines are widely adopted to make the tattoo more solid. Tattoos in this tattoo style can accompany us for a lifetime. The longer the time, the more retro the pattern. Different tattoo styles require different techniques and needles, which will be detailed explained in future tutorials. There are solid lines, dashed line, bold line, thin lines, magnum needle, fine line, shader, liner, etc. Highly recommended to bookmark this video in case you will need above knowledge in the future. In next session, we will explain the reasons for tattooing not taking color. Learn step by step, specialize in a field. I am Zero, farewell.